and look in our direction.
Any ornament and one frat girl win me.
Welcome to Countdown. Oh God, we can't believe we just tried that. Anyway, box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. My readers, I have to go and say thank you so much for supporting my recent videos. Oh my God, me love the support. Keep on like, share, commenting, all of these things because we're still trying to get to 300,000 subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please to go ahead and subscribe right now. Like the video before the countdown even begins. Okay, anyway, let's get into this week's top 10.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Rebel, Shell, Taboo, McCraft. Okay, my readers know, so Dancing Rebel, she has been making waves on social media lately, especially with her choreography that has just been hitting on TikTok back to back. So I don't know if you know about this song called Wrong Behavior by Kraft. Yep.
Papa, pizza, pila, liquor, killer.
No, the way the song has gotten popular, people are now saying it is a Rebel song because she is the person who came up with the very clever moves that has now been trending on TikTok. It is now a trending choreography, a trending audio. Rebel has probably single-handedly made this song trend in the dancehall space, and so you have to give her props for that. The song did bad already, but Rebel just take it and just send it go further a road. Okay, so the two teamed up after Kraft was at Taboo, you know, performing, and of course he invited her to share the stage with him. Take a look. That is it, Rebel. That is it. No, honestly, I think 2023 has to be Rebel's year. Like, Rebel is just really coming into her own, and I am here for it. Congratulations, Rebel. You know, just go on with yourself, yeah, doll. Okay. Oh. Number 9, Harvard Trivia. My IQ. Okay, my readers know. So this video though, I saw on Twitter, I think somebody had liked it, so I saw it on my feed, and it had to do with some Harvard students. So basically this student, he went around and asked black students of Harvard, how exactly did they get in? But their responses, me never prepare for. Especially when one touch pan, you will hear for yourself.
Asking black students what they did to get into Harvard.
Hi, my name's Guy. I'm a legacy. I got a 1610 on my SAT, and I'm a Pisces.
I'm Chloe.
I'm Mario.
We're twins. We got in because we're related to Bob Marley.
Yeah, and Rihanna. Go Caribbean.
Hi, I'm Dante Christie. So the reason why I got in, my dad is actually Andrew Holmes, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and my mom is Spice. I also got a 1600 on my SAT, so that's why I'm
here. You know, when you start off, some of them do some believably, you know, but you see when you reach but them part about Spice and Andrew Holmes, Andrew, wrong somebody. Wrong somebody.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Me say, last year them time, yeah, me have $1,900 in my drain account. And this year, you know what me have? $710. Still broke as fuck. So I don't know if I have a motivation. You look at say you're not going to find it, you know. Go!
Number 8, on assignment. Nobody does know. This is not a Jamaican video. This has to do with something that I saw on American media. No, oh my God, this reporter, this field reporter out there doing a story, and he was, you know, given the ultimate taste test. So you have the person that will prepare the hot dog, and this journalist is there, you know, doing a first-hand type of reaction live on television, and this is how it...
At the fair, you can head out to the fair to October 22nd. And it's going to be a great time. You
see, when you see the brother, I'm just sitting and couldn't swallow. When you see, yo, honestly, this gave me flashback. You know what money my mother used to try to send me to school, and should I give me like all the porridge or the callaloo? And you know when the callaloo all sag pan the bread, you know, the callaloo on the bread, and it's sag pan the bread, and you know, and swallow it, and your mother is like, you now move from the table until you name off everything. And you have to just catch it right, and you have jaw corner right there, so you know it end up look like, say, you're going to do like jaw surgery for get a little, you know, the little something there. Jesus Christ, end up come out and look like Perry the platypus. Oh God, Jesus Christ, this was just hilarious. And the anchor in studio now, like, she catch the rake where I go on a long time, you know, but she had to play along. Oh God, this was just good. Number 7, fare hike. Me boss. Okay, no, so, you know, as reported in a previous social media countdown, I mentioned that the bus fare, they're going to go up the taxi fare, it was going to be increased. But, you know, Jamaica people will love to go around the thing, you know, because now what is being reported is that the taxi men are not charging what was actually declared. They're going beyond that. So based on this TVJ report, just take a listen.
Already reports that some taxi operators are charging the full 35%. The Transport Authority has put out the table with the new fares. However, some transport operators have disregarded the table. Jamila Maitland tells us how much you should be charged for taxi fare.
It's only been a day since the new fare increase took effect, and the TVJ News has received several phone calls from the public asking for the new fare table. They're complaining about being overcharged by drivers. But how much should you pay? But the figure is rounded off to the nearest 10, and so the fare is $130. But commuters told us that they were already paying $150, and this was from 2021. And so, despite the fare table being printed by the Transport Authority, the commuters say it's a far cry from reality.
Yes, so when I talk about, the chopping will never end. People have been chopping from slavery until now. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, Lord. But you know, man, the fascinating thing is that nobody not report them. Nobody not report it. It look like, you know, really, you know, you fight against the movement and you fight against your brothers and sisters. So I don't think it's going to get reported, which is just sad in and of itself. Boy, oh boy. All right. Jesus Christ. Number 6, Tommy Lee questioned. Miss Sparta. Okay, Berry does know. So, the know dancehall artist Tommy Lee, where, you know, recently started for Dubac Road after he was released from prison in March of 2023. He is now under scrutiny again after reports started to make the rounds that he is alleged to be a part of some new gang activity, some gang criminal activity. But you see, before this even get for go really go settle and marinate it out in the streets, Tommy Lee's team was quick to put out a statement distancing the entertainer from these speculations. So the management boss lady music management team said that Tommy Lee has spent the last few years rehabilitating and turning his life around. After serving his sentence for past mistakes, he has been committed to living an honest life, focusing on his music and positive impact that he can make in the community. The allegations linking him to recent gang activities are woefully unfounded and without merit. So that you know, that is what his management team say, and so we just have to just go and believe it. Hopefully the artist just stay out of bad company and to just focus on his music and pleasing his fans. That is it, you know, man. So, Burritos, let me know what you make of these allegations. Sound off below. Number 5, train tracing. Me dash out. Okay, Burritos, why are Jamaican people like, why we so witty and so clever when we are cussing? Like, we're not cussing, we trace. We're going bad. We go along bad. We will kill you with some onomatopoeia. We will done you with some oxymorons. Like, we just can't give you a regular degular. We have to have a little simile. You get me?
Shut my mouth. Come and shut my mouth. Move. You righty? Like you said, I beg you drive. Arami, your man I come with tonight. Yeah, hurry up. Come shut it for me, babe. Right. Call the police. Your boss. Because if it was your boss, I wouldn't put my foot on it. You righty? Go shut them out. You're rude, no blood. Where? Your blood clot drive. Well, move your blood. You saw your mouth wide like hot cover.
No, honestly, people, Burritos, let me know, especially the Burritos who are living abroad. Have you ever had to pop out your Jamaican side real quick after someone tested you in public? Sound off below. Number 4, wedding triggered. Okay, Burritos, no. So, one must have heard that, you know, Miss Kitty, she got married over the weekend, and the pictures, the Magarona, all of these things, which I will get into later in the countdown. But a lot of people are quite happy, except for this gentleman. This brother, I guess, former journalist, now dancehall artist by the name of Wani One. Hope I'm getting the name correctly. Boy, oh boy. So he had mentioned some time ago about he mentioned Miss Kitty in one song. Then he went on to go mention sometime after that he went on a date and Miss Kitty did want a whole heap of food. And all of them something there, Miss Kitty jumped out and denied, you know, knowing the brother on that type of level. But still, we're in 2023 and he's at it again. Here's what he had to say about Kitty's marriage.
If you have money to get her, if you're broke, you can't look in her direction. You cannot get her without you spend how much money upon her. And you are a man looking at this woman, seeing her as wife material. And you there by her side, lie down in the bed with her, hug her up, go out with her, walk with her. And you know, say if you never have money, she wouldn't be there with you. You are go married to her. You are go married to her.
Yeah, man, just hang it up right now. Just hang it up right now. Just make it go on like you can't. They look like him. They all want, but like no, man. This personal, like with them something, you know, you might need like a therapy. Cause honestly, right now, not because the woman name was make you feel carry feelings. Oh shit. Kitty feelings. Jesus Christ, I forgot. I thought this was a late night. Make a move to the next one. Number 3, P&S Unite. Alright, Burritos, so no, Quiet Perry, right? Quiet Perry had the character Patricia. They made that character very popular. And Prince Manny, who's been laying low recently, will have the character Susan. The two of them reunited recently on TikTok for a play match, and trust me, it was very festive. Take a look.
I say any owner make Susan win me. I say any owner make the one frat girl win me. Any owner make the night nurse win me. Any owner make golden age frat win me. I'm gonna push up his score and do plays.
Susan Tolerance, kick off place.
Come now. Push up his score down the side. Come now. And the ornament the one frat girl win me. Me didn't look for snipe big snipe my side. Come here big on the 2 look money gun 2 look galaxy 2 look post them run across the screen and say meow.
Come down to the
but I'm not lying door.
Sherry.
Come down my side. Are you deserve? Miss, thank your sister. Guys, snipe, family snipe. Big snipe, my side, them I got snipe. Put a snipe up. Put a snipe up. Snipe up this. One more claw. Snipe again, snipe again, snipe again. As a hot girl. As As a hot girl, as a top girl, never flop girl. Susie, your slippers. Your slippers, girl. Your slippers. You have to send them for Bedford Street.
Patricia.
Your slippers, girl. You bend them and pick up a flop.
Patricia.
You're coming like a suicide ballerina. You flop. You flop wicked. You flop up, girl. You're coming like Avianas. Yeah.
No, I think this has been like, honestly, I think it's been a while since we've really seen much of Patricia, and even longer than that, where people don't get to, see a glimpse of Susan, because I remember how Susan and Patricia did have Instagram in a one choke hold. And so many fans and supporters were quite eager and very happy to see the duo reconnected and, playing their popular characters. So, Burritos, let me know of what you thought of this big moment. Sound off in the comments.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Mr. Omar Ruben Carlos Riley.
Grateful, extremely honored. Who would have thought that a dancehall artist coming into the business 24 years ago would be on the lands of King's House now, receiving such a prestigious award.
In time, a dream come true. And someone said to me, it is so wonderful that they're not bestowing anything on you. It's something earned.
Number 2, Smile J.A. Alice, no Burritos. Mr. Vegas was recently on Smile Jamaica. He was being interviewed by Delia Harris and Neville Bell. When them always have them little game segment, them little fun segment where they were told to like DJ and guess who for name go end up get mentioned. Just take a listen.
She make me belly a hot me.
Sometimes. But you shouldn't hear me. I'm belly at him. That's he went to that place near to Wolmer's. Menago say crab circle.
You know say you bring me to Alice.
Don't name the crab.
I do this running belly you give to me.
Oh, me need to go bathroom.
Me I go bring the tissue them soon.
Don't name the crab.
It get too bad for brother. What is that?
Oh my.
All right, that was fun. But
oh my God, honestly, you said that, boy, oh boy, I have to give it up to them. That was just hilarious. Every day since that incident, I know that Alice is a ring. Oh God, Alice now catch a break for now, Jesus P, man.
Hey, it's Maya, and you are tuned into the Dutty Berry Show. Keep it right here for more.
And number 1 goes to Miss Kitty Married. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Miss Kitty Married. Oh my God. No, Burritos, it was a quiet little weekend and everything are going still when all of a sudden one little picture drop where I show Miss Kitty in a one wedding dress with one man in front of her. So right there and then people are saying, no man, what kind of like a secret, like a James creature this? Is this actually official? Is this AI? Is this Photoshop? Is this actually real? Because people from how long I talk about, because she is so outspoken and that Miss Kitty is a person of standards. A lot of men have been championing for years, say she won't find someone who will, deal with her and can be on par with her. All of them stuff here, people were yapping. So Miss Kitty just goes to say, watch your style, yeah. Bam!
Maybe the victim, what she is, let me know.
stars are close to, all the stars are close to, all the stars are close to. Maybe let them my dreams find, let me know. All the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you for the final time Kadeen Latoya Hilton. When next you see me, I will be Mrs. Kadeen Latoya Wilkinson. Thank you.
So according to CNW Network, Jamaican personality Kadeen Miss Kitty Hilton is now a married woman. The hostess with her longtime partner Ian Wilkinson KC in a ceremony in St. Andrew, Jamaica on October 14. In video clips shared on social media, the happy couple was captured dancing together after exchanging their wedding vows. You know, the best thing I think about this is that Miss Kitty kept this very much low-key and outside of the public. Like, for those who knew, them did know, but outside of that, if you never invited to the seat, well, you know, some of us not know. And so it was just nice to see that Miss Kitty handled this pretty much privately and kept this close. And I really see much fanfare, because when you go up on our social media, you know, snap back a picture and look something there, so I know if she go do like Beyonce and put out a movie where we can go and carry and find out all the little behind the scenes details. I don't know if reality show will come. I don't know all of these things, but I'm very happy that Miss Kitty is having this moment. Okay, because I would have time people them say people them dig up all our posts them we choose to make from long time. Like, why not stay so terrible?
Some people are single by choice because we have standards. And we're not going to stoop to anything just to subscribe or ascribe to societal norms. We don't want to be relegated by that. So we live our lives because we are autonomous beings. I work out for our own independence. I want to know which path to find them. Yeah. If we want man and when we want them, we know where to go. We know where they are. Don't worry yourself.
Well.
But anyway, Berritos, let me know your reaction to finding out that Miss Kitty is now a married woman. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. Well, that's it, Berritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Please to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button as well as to subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your family and your friends. And to leave a comment down below and let me know if you want me to give you an update to the Leota Bradshaw, Philip Palwell story, or would you like me to give you more insight to the Miss Kitty marriage with her husband, like where they meet, all kind of something like that. Let me know in the comments you want that video or you want both of them. Just sound off. I'll be looking. Okay. Don't forget to follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, X, all over. Okay. And for advertising and bookings, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Okay. Take care until next time. Ta-ta.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. Suck me, I what happening all the week, yo, just tune in, zine.